Hey, Scentsy fanatics, Jackie Slaughterbeck, your independent consultant here. So excited to show you guys the new September warmer of the month or warmers of the month. This is really cool. So I just got them yesterday, and what's a warmer of the month or scent of the month? Every month, Scentsy comes out with a special warmer and a special scent. It's available starting the first of the month, and they're while supplies last. The bars, if you like them, can be put in Scentsy Club. You are able to purchase the warmer all month at 10% off. And actually, if it were to sell out in the first couple days, it would go on back order, but you still can purchase it. So let's get started with the warmers of the month for September. Are you ready? It's called Under Wraps. So we've got a full size and a mini. Your choice. They're 10% off. Normally 40 and 20, so they're 36 and 18. So let's take a look at this baby. Isn't he adorable? You can see, I don't know if you can see it, but the green kind of reflects into his wrap. This is going to be a little different of a warmer. It sits on a light bulb, and here's his face. Let's put him on the light bulb. What do you say? Can you guys see this? Here we go. So, as you can see, oh, you guys don't want to see that. Sorry. Okay, he glows through. My gosh, this should be really cool with a colored bulb in it. But it glows through. I have to get my colored bulbs out. So you get light through the wrap, a different texture of light through the wrap because it is textured. It almost feels like actual wrap. Look at him. We'll leave him there while we're talking about the mini warmer. Now, kind of has a little different face. Mini warmer is the same. For these, you can actually, for an extra $15, buy a base. And I believe in our brochure, he's shown on the tabletop base. So for those of you who don't want him plugged into the wall, we can base him. He also has the colors showing through him. So you might not be able to see it, but when you really look at him, here we go. Isn't he cute? So these are under wraps. I am taking pre-orders for these now. They are will be available September 1st, but I will do a pre-order. The scent of the month is called Ghostly Greetings. And let me just read the description to you. Spooky black plum, spiced berry, and a dash of bourbon are brewed in a cauldron and ready to beckon in you. Now, this says it's in the Woods fragrance family. Oh my. That is really good. Okay, what I like about these brochures, and they will be going out to all of you, is it shows you up here the different notes or levels of notes in it. So it says it's got, I mean, the description says black plum, spiced berry, and bourbon. But what it tells me in these are the top notes are Davana, clove and pink pepper. The mid notes are an amber woods, berry, and plum. And the base notes, oh, that's sandalwood, cream, cedar, patchouli, and sheer musk. This is a good one, and really, I can smell the plums and the patchouli in it. So, the warmer of the month is Under Wraps, available starting September 1. I'll be back on yet today. I've gotten so many shipments yesterday that I got to catch up on all my videos for you guys. So have a great day and talk soon.